In this section, we'll explore how to teach green skills through real-world projects, enhanced by the creative power of AI tools. You'll see how project-based learning can turn sustainability topics into hands-on, student-driven experiences. Imagine this. Your students notice energy waste at school. Instead of just complaining, they start investigating the issue, collecting data, developing solutions, and presenting them to the school administration. That's the essence of project-based learning: real problems, real solutions, real learning. Project-based learning is a structured teaching approach where students actively explore real-world challenges through projects. They ask questions, conduct research, build ideas, create products, and present their work. In this process, students become active creators rather than passive learners. Learning becomes meaningful, relevant, and student-driven. So why is project-based learning such a powerful way to teach green skills? Because these skills, environmental awareness, sustainable thinking, systems thinking, responsible consumption, cannot be memorized. They must be experienced. For example, when students lead a project on reducing plastic waste, they're not just learning facts, they're thinking critically, working in teams, and making real-world impact. Green skills are rooted in values and action, and that's exactly what project-based learning is about. There's another exciting dimension: AI-supported learning. Students can now bring their project ideas to life with creative tools. They can design campaign posters using Canva AI, write a zero-waste manifesto using ChatGPT, or create stunning visual stories with DALL-E or Adobe Firefly. This integration not only deepens their green thinking, but also builds their digital and creative competencies. Now let's explore how green skills and AI-powered project-based learning come together in different subject areas. For example, in a biology lesson, students can investigate the natural ecosystem around their school. They use mobile apps and AI tools to identify plant and insect species and collaboratively create a school biodiversity map, a digital atlas that raises awareness about local habitats and species protection. In a geography lesson, students can dive into historical climate data from their region. They interpret trends in temperature, rainfall, and extreme weather events, then use visualization tools to design an interactive climate change dashboard that helps their community understand local environmental risks. In literature or language arts, students can imagine life in a sustainable future. They write original short stories or dialogues about topics like circular economy or climate justice, and bring their narratives to life with AI-generated illustrations, book covers, or even audio readings using voice cloning tools. Each of these projects transforms abstract concepts into authentic learning experiences, encouraging students not only to understand sustainability, but to take ownership of it, with creativity, collaboration, and meaningful action. Project-based learning brings together sustainability, critical thinking, and digital creativity. When combined with AI, it becomes a powerful teaching tool. By using project-based learning in your classroom, you're not just teaching content, you're empowering your students to shape the future. So, let's ask ourselves and our students, what problem can we solve today?